Hi everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Yesterday we discussed up to logarithmic limits. Now today we discuss the exponential limits. We know that exponential limits here e power x expansion. We know that e power x equal to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on to infinity. That e power x formula substitute this problem. What is the problem here? Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 plus x by x square is dash. So we know that limit x tends to 0 in place of e power x substitute here, that is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on to infinity. Minus of 1 plus x, 1 x cancel. So remaining what here? Numerator x square common. So what is 1 by 2 factorial? 1 by 3 factorial plus so on to infinity. Here x square get cancelled. So here next x square term so on all are exponent. These are all zeros. So except 1 by 2. So what is the value of it is 1 by 2. So option 2. Next the value of limit x tends to infinity x plus 3 by x plus 1 power x plus 2 is dash. So first option is e power 4, second option is 0, third option is 1, fourth option is e square. We know that how it is here, degree is same here. Here m equal to n, we know that is a naught by b naught, that is x coefficient, numerator x coefficient, denominator x coefficient. It is what here 1 1. So it is power x is infinity means it is the form of 1 power infinity form. When you get the 1 power infinity form, apply this formula, that is limit x tends to a f of x power g of x, that is 1 power infinity form, that is e power limit x tends to a f of x minus 1 into g of x. So here now taking LCM here, f of x minus 1 into g of x, taking LCM x cancel, 3 minus 1 is 2, that is e power 2 into x plus 2 by x plus 1. So here also m equal to n, then its coefficient is the answer, that is 1, that is e power 2 into 1 is e square. Next one. Next one, third one, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 whole power 1 by x square is equal to dash. So options e power minus 2 and e square. Next e power 2 by 7, e power 2 by 7, and fourth one e power 3 by 7. So you observe here also x square, the degree is same. So it is how much here? Here x tends to 0 is there. X tends to 0 means it is 0. 2 by 2 is how much here? 1. Here 1 by 0 is infinity. It is also 1 power infinity form. Limit x tends to 0. 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 whole power 1 by x square. Put x equal 0, then we get e power in 1 power infinity form. We know that 1 power infinity form, limit x tends to infinity, f of x power g of x equal to, when it is 1 power infinity, then we take this is limit x tends to infinity, f of x minus 1 into g of x. Apply this formula. So that equal to, we can write here e power limit x tends to 0, 3x square plus 2 by 7x square plus 2 into 1 by x square. So that equal to e power limit x tends to 0. So that is here 3 power 3x x 0, 3x square plus 2 minus 1 into 1 by x square. Now taking LCM here, 3x square plus 2 minus 7x square minus 2 divided by 7x square plus 2 into 1 by x square. Here 2 to cancel, 3 minus 7 minus 4x square, limit x tends to 0, minus 4x square minus 4x square divided by 7x square plus 2. 7x square plus 2 into 1 by x square. Here x square cancel. So minus 4, 0, 4 by 2, that equal to e power minus 4 by 2. That is how much here? E power minus 2. So which option is correct here? First option. Next one. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Tan of pi by 4 plus x. Whole power 1 by x. Is dash. First option e square. Second option 1. Third option e. Fourth option 2. See here. Here x equal to 0 substitute here. Tan pi by 4 is here 1. 1 by 0 is infinity. It is also 1 power infinity form. First we know the tan of a plus b expansion. That is tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x. We know that tan pi by 4 is 1. So then it is nothing but tan pi by 4 plus x equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So therefore limit x tends to 0, tan of pi by 4 plus x whole power 1 by x. Which form here? 1 power infinity form. Now tan of a plus b expansion write down here. That is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole power 1 by x. Now apply the formula. That equal to e power limit x tends to 0, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x minus 1 into 1 by x. So that equal to e power limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, taking LCM 1 plus tan x minus 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 by x. Now 1 cancel. That equal to e power limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, 2 tan x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 by x. By x right down here. Or 1 by x right down here. So that equal to 2 into limit x tends to 0, tan x by x. Next limit x tends to 0, 1 by 1 minus tan x. We know that tan x by x is how much here? 1. X is 0, tan 0 is 0. So 1 by 1 minus 0 is 1. So whatever this value is how much here? 1. So that equal to e power 2 into 1 into 1. That is how much here? E square. So first option correct. Next the L'Hospital's rule. L'Hospital's rule. L'Hospital rule. We know that L'Hospital rule is limit x tends to a f of x by g of x. So its value is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. When it is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then derivative the numerator and denominator. That equal to limit x tends to a f dash x by g dash x. If it is again get 0 by 0, next again derivative till get the finite value. Till get the finite value, limit x tends to a f double dash x by g double dash x plus 1 till get the So it is called L'Hospital's rule. Yeah. First one. If f of a equal to f dash a equal to 1, f dash a equal to 1, g of a equal to 1, g dash a equal to then limit extends to a, g of x into f of a, minus g of a into f of x divided by x minus a equals, so first option minus 3, second option minus 1 by 3, third one is 3, and fourth one is minus 1 by 3. Here we know that L'Hospital derivative. First x equal to a substitute g of a f of a. Here x equal to a substitute g of a f of a. Numerator will be 0. A minus a 0. So limit extends to a. If we substitute in x equal to a substitute, then we will get, so whatever this value, 0 by 0. When it is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, so which rule we adopt here? L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital's rule. Means derivative to the numerator and derivative to the denominator. So that is d by dx of numerator, d by dx of denominator. That equal to limit x tends to a. We know that g of x differentiation g dash x into f of a. G of a, f of x differentiation a, f dash x divided by x minus x differentiation is 1, constant is 0. It is how much here? 1. Now x equal to a substitute here. That is g dash a into f of a minus g of a into f dash a. So now substitute here. F of a value substitute here. G dash a value substitute here. So g dash a is 2 and f of a value is 2. Minus g of a value is 1 and f dash a value is 1. So this is 4 minus 1. It is how much here? 3. So third option is next one. Limit extends to 0. Sin inverse x minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse x divided by x cube equal to tan. So first option is 0. Second option is 1. Third option is minus 1. Fourth option is 1 by 2. See here, sin 1 0 is 0, tan 1 0 is 0, x is 0. So it is 0 by 0 form. Limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x minus tan inverse x divided by x cube. So it is 0 by 0. Apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital's rule. We know that d by dx of sin inverse x. d by dx of sin inverse x is how much here? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. And d by dx of tan inverse x is how much here? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, now substitute here. That equal to limit x tends to 0. That is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. And this is 1 by 1 plus x square. X cube differentiation 3x square. Again x equal 0 substitute here, 1 minus 1, numerator is 0, denominator is 0, again 0 by 0, so again apply the L'Hospital rule. That equal to limit x tends to 0, it is 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2. Again inner function derivative here minus 2x. Next minus 1 plus x square whole power minus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus x square whole power minus 2, again inner function derivative 2x divided by 3x square derivative is 6x. Okay na? Here 2 cancel, here 1x common, here x cancel, so 1 by x outside and down here, so limit x tends to 0, so remaining what here, minus into minus here plus, that is 1 by 1 minus x square whole power 3 by 2. Next minus into minus here plus, remaining what here, 2, here plus 2 by 1 plus x square whole square divided by x common and cancel, so remaining what here, by 6 is there. Now x equal to 0 substitute here, x equal to 0 substitute, by already 1 by 6 is common, so here x common, here x. Now x equal to 0 substitute here, 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 1 minus 0 is 1, next 2 by 1 by 0 is 1, that equal to 3 by 6, it is how much here, 1 by 2. So which option is here? Fourth option. Next one, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 9 power x divided by x into 4 power x plus 9 power x equal to dash. So first option is log 2 by 3 and second option log 1 by 2 log 3 by 2. Third option 1 by 2 log 2 by 3. Fourth option log 3 by 2. So here you observe here limit x tends to 0, 4 power x minus 9 power x, here x into 4 power x plus 9 power x, here x equal to 0 substitute here, something power 0 is 1, something power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is numerator is what here, 0. Here x is 0 and something is 0, again it is 0 by 0 form. So we know that d by dx of a power x formula, a power x log a, and d by dx of uv formula, uv product of the two functions, u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. So that equal to limit x tends to 0, apply the derivative of the numerator. So applying L'Hospital rule here, L'Hospital rule, 4 power x derivative, 4 power x log 4 minus 9 power x log 9 divided by, it is u, it is v, u v dash x into 4 power x derivative, 4 power x log 4 plus 9 power x log 9 plus vu dash 4 power x plus 9 power x. X difference is how much here? 1. Now x equal to 0 substitute here, numerator will become log 4 minus log 9. Log 4 minus log 9. So here this value is how much here? 0 and something, this value is 0. So remaining here 4 power x plus 9 power x. Here something power 0 is 1, something power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, it is how much here? Log 4 minus log 9, log a minus log b, that is log a by b, that is log of 4 by 9 divided by 2. 4 by 9 we can write here log 2 by 3 whole square, log 2 by 3 whole square divided by 2. That we can write here 2 into log 2 by 3 by 2. So it is how much here? Log 2 by 3. So first option. These are the formulas. Use these two formulas for this one. Next one. Here the value of limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Integral 0 to x square secant square t dt divided by x sin x is, so first option 3 and second option 2, third option 1, fourth option 0. Here apply the L'Hospital rule. Apply the L'Hospital rule. After that we have to apply the Newton's Leibniz formula. Newton's Leibniz formula. Newton's Leibniz formula. That is d by dx of integral f of x to g of x here h of t dt equal to, apply the in place of t upper limit here, that is h of g of x into g dash x minus h of f of x into f dash x. It is a Newton's Leibniz formula. So now apply the L'Hospital rule. Apply L'Hospital rule. That equal to limit x tends to 0 d by dx of integral 0 to x square secant square t dt divided by d by dx of x into sin x. Here uv formula, d by dx of uv equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Apply the both formulas. D by in place of h of t is what here secant square t, in place of t x square write down here, again x square divided by 2 2x. Now lower limit substitute here, it is into 0 secant square t again into 0, it is total second one is 0. So that equal to, now substitute here secant square x square into x square divided by 2x. Next minus it will be 0 divided by uv formula, limit x to 0, x into d by dx of sin x is cos x plus sin x into x derivative is how much? 1. So that equal to limit x tends to 0. Separate I am taking here and secant square x square 2 outside write down here. Remaining what here? Limit x tends to 0. Here x, whatever x I am taking, the denominator I am taking here, that will become x cos x by x plus sin x by x. Here x cancel. Here secant 0 is how much here? 1. That equal to 2 into 1 into, here cos 0 is how much here? 1. And sin x by x is how much? 1. That is 2 by 2 is 1. So first option. One more problem, same that one only. Limit x tends to 0, integral 0 to x t sin 10t into dt divided by x is dash. First option 1, second option 10, third option 5, fourth option 0. So it is also same before model only. Now what you will do? LHospital rule. Apply LHospital rule. Not equal to limit x tends to 0, d by dx of integral 0 to x t into sin 10t dt divided by d by dx of x. Now in place of t, upper limit write down here, upper limit derivative x derivative is 1 and denominator minus lower limit is what here? 0. So that equal to limit x tends to 0, that is x sin 10x and x derivative 1, next is 0 divided by x differential is 1. So here it is sin is bounded function, here 0 into bounded, it is how much here? 0. So which is correct here? Fourth option. Next one. Limit x tends, if limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus so on x power n minus n divided by x minus 1 equal to 820 where n belongs to capital N. Then the value of n is equal to, so first option 39, second option 40, third option 41, fourth option 42. See here. So x equal 1 substitute 1 1 so on n means it is n. N minus n is 0. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. It is also 0 by 0 means apply the LHospital rule here. Limit x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus so on x power n minus n. So it is x minus 1. 1 1 1 1 so on n means it is n. 1 plus 1 plus 1 so on n is n minus n is 0. So it is 0 by 0. Now apply the LHospital rule. Limit x tends to 1. Here x derivative is how much here? 1. X square is 2x. X cube is 3x square. X power n is n into x power n minus 1. Next constant is 0. There x is how much here? 1. X equal 1 substitute here. That equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. We know that summation 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n so on n we can write here summation n, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. But it is what is given here, this value is 820. So this equal how much here? 820 cross multiplication n square plus n equal how much here? 2 2 is 4, 2 is 1640. 1640 here n square plus n minus 1640 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in terms of n. Then here what are the roots here? X equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2 apply here. N equal to minus b. Here a equal to 1 and b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 1640 substitute here. Minus b minus 1 plus or minus root b square 1 minus minus here plus, that is 1640. So this is by 2a, 2 into, so that equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 1641 divided by 2. So this is, we can write here 81 squares. So 1641 is 81 square, that is 81 by 2. Therefore n equals to, once we take plus 81 minus 1, 80 by 2. It is how much here? 40. Next minus 81 minus 82 by 2 means minus 40. But n equal to how much given here? N equal to, but n belongs to n, natural number. So consider n equal to 40. So second option is correct.